Hey, I'm Luke. Tell me what video you want a script for, and I'll write it and email it to you. Hi, Luke. I like your voice. I want a video about how ElevenLabs is the best AI agent. For voice. For voice.
Got it.
I'm writing your script on how ElevenLabs is the best AI agent for a voice. And it'll be in your inbox in about a minute. Bam! It's already here. Look at that. We have a script written by Scripty directly in my inbox from just chatting to it using ElevenLabs.
That's right. Pretty fast.
So using ElevenLabs, you can now give a voice to your SaaS. For example, here's my SaaS Scripty, and now normally you have to click through all these screens and, I hate user interfaces. Whereas now we literally just have Scripty as an ElevenLabs agent. You can just click and talk to it, and it has access to literally every functionality. And today I'm going to show you how to do this using basically one master prompt, which will be free down below next to our ElevenLabs link. So sign up to ElevenLabs, get your API key, use the prompt, and you'll have this up and running in like 5 minutes. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is head on over to Claude Code or even Codex, whatever you want. And inside of here, just open up your SaaS, and basically all you're going to have to do... my cat's in the way again. Bye-bye, cat. Basically all you have to do is come in here and copy this massive prompt, because don't worry, I've done all the hard work for you creating this prompt. And then you can head on over here, paste it in, send it in, and now it's going to go and actually set up all the architecture and infrastructure you need to have this /voice page with your orb in it. The only thing you need to do here is to use your ElevenLabs API key. Now, of course, the link will be in the description to open up ElevenLabs. It is the best AI voice agent platform in the world, hands down, easy peasy. Basically, it has like everything that you need built into a single agent. For example, if we head on over to Speech Engine, this is like a layer you can just add on to any application so that you can chat to it and literally just give that link to Claude and it'll be able to do it for you. So basically what it can do is obviously speech to text, text to speech, super fast and amazing, because like I have a Scottish accent and it still is perfect for me. Turn detection, it knows when to pause. Interruption handling, if you start talking it will stop and automatically start processing, and it will filter out any like background noise, etc. It is amazing. So head on over to the link below, log in, and once you log in, you can see that you have creative agents or API. So if we just stay on agents, scroll down to developers, and inside of developers here, we're going to go to API keys, and we simply just have to create an API key. Now here, we can change different restrictions. So if you want only specific endpoints to be accessible, you can change them here. But I'm just going to make it completely unrestricted key and create that key. And of course, you can see this now, but I will revoke it so that you don't have it. Now you can just come over here, click 3 dots and delete if you don't want that key anymore. So basically, this key will then just give this like infrastructure the access it needs to actually go and talk to ElevenLabs. And so we'll open up some .env file just like this, and all you have to do is give it the API key in here. Don't worry about the agent ID because it can sort it all out itself. Save that, head on back over, and then just continue where you left off. And then that's literally you. You just leave it for maybe 10 minutes, however long it's going to take. Test it obviously in staging, ideally. I know you're a vibe coder, you probably don't have a staging or test, just production. Push it to production. It's gonna be fine. Mine went straight to production. Shh, don't tell anybody. And a little hint or a little tip is that for then when you're changing this to be whatever like you want it to look like, so you don't want it to look like this, ElevenLabs have a UI.elevenlabs.io where you can actually come and take different assets that they've already created. So say for example on this here where you can just click and start chatting, you could also have the live stream of the chat popping up as well. You could have different buttons, you could have thinking, whatever it may be. Whatever it is that you want, you can come here. Click on view components and you can come and see them all. Additionally, if you want some extra credits, you can apply for a startup grant at the link below, where you can come and hopefully get 33 million characters, so say 4 grand in value, which is crazy. So you could basically add a free AI agent to the front of your SaaS so you can now talk to it. And I think this is so important because I personally hate using UI. It's like the bane of my life for my SaaS is figuring out I don't like to use stuff with loads of steps. How can I make a complicated process have fewer steps? And normally it's just by chatting to it, which is why something like this is so important and is the future.
Hey, I'm Scripty.
And so if you want to make any changes to your agent, inside here you'll have it created by Claude, scripted voice, and probably you want to first of all enable guardrails. So inside of guardrails, which you can also get on the left here, you can focus, so keep the agent focused on its defined goal, i.e. so people can't then just start asking it random questions. Manipulation, so block attempts to bypass or override system instructions. Content, so this is, this type of stuff here. You obviously don't want that. And then you can create custom guardrails as well in here. And you can, of course, ask Claude or ChatGPT to do this as well. And, of course, you can test this all inside of ElevenLabs. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is inside of Agent here, to give you a kind of walkthrough of what we're looking at. We have the system prompt, which is basically the rules and instructions given to the agent by default. And this here is created by Claude. You can come and amend them if you want. You can change the first message. So say we want to call him, Scott instead of Scripty, and it can be Scott as the guy you talk to. We can then change which language, which is crazy. You can change which voice. So, for example, here we have Eric, but we could come and change it to say...
All right, are we cracking code, solving mysteries, or casually taking over the world?
Or even me. In the garden of life, plant seeds of knowledge like a botanist cultivates nature. Let's use me. You can enable expression mode and change the LLM. So here, for example, we could make it faster by choosing a smaller LLM like this one. And you can see that it's also cheaper. But it's just not going to be as good, which you need to remember. But this is why stuff like these open source models can be so powerful for this. But just remember, there's always a trade-off between speed and... I was going to say correctness, but more about like ability to solve complex problems, I guess is probably how you want to say it. So for example, this one here, we're using Sonnet 4.5 because it has to use the tools our SaaS has, which is what the prompt does. It goes away and finds all of these tools like Angle, Script, Package, etc. And of course, just work with Claude to make sure you've got exactly what you want. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to give your SaaS a voice. Go to the link in the description below today and start using ElevenLabs. Give your SaaS a voice and start actually integrating a better user experience to your applications going forward. Anyway, till next time, take care and I'll see you later.